Baby, calm down, calm down.
Hi guys, hi beauties, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mama of French Girls. So guys, before I start this video, please mind the noise in the background, these animals in the back, these fowls. Hey, so today, and please don't mind my hair, before I go collect my kids from school. So I did an order. I placed an order for some products for my face because I do not like the results that I'm having on my face. I will put a picture for you guys because my face sometimes it's dry, sometimes I do not like the little black spots on the pimples that I'm having. So I ordered some products that I've been seeing I saw these products on Facebook and on Instagram. So I went on YouTube to check about it, if it is true, if it works well, and yeah. And I actually know the name of the product itself, like the name of the business, but I've never tried it to see if it's good or not. But it's good for the price though. But when I ordered it, I thought I had nothing to pay again because I ordered these products at it cost me 73 euros for the products, and arriving home I had to pay another 24 euros. So this is the product. Yes, it came in this. We are gonna be unboxing it today now before I go collect my kids from school. So yeah, and in another video I'm gonna be doing another video when using it so you guys can see. So let's open. I don't want this video to be long because I have to collect my kids from school. It came like this, covered, came like this. So on the box, it's written my address and every other thing there. So yeah. Yep. So the name of it actually came like this. The name of the product, I'll be leaving it on the screen. It's Numbiance Paris. Yes. So this is it. This is one of the products that I ordered. So this one is for if you have makeup on, or like you want to remove your makeup, you can use it. It is written purifies, cleanse, no rinsing, daily use. Yes, this one. It's a 500 milliliters. Then this one is the exfoliating face and body scrub. Gently cleanses, removes dead skin, improves complexion radiance. I saw this thing on the site and it was very, very interesting. This is why I ordered it. If it wasn't for this, I wouldn't order it, but it looks like it's working very, very well. So I will try. Then this one is the facial cleansing gel. This one, if you can see. Yes, cleansing and purifies, anti-blemish, soap free, 200 milliliters. Yeah. And the last one is let me open it. This one is multi-perfecting pore corrector for moderate to serve blemish, spots, blackhead. This one, let me open it so I could see what it's like. Okay, it is like this. I'm gonna be This smells so nice. It has a nice smell. But this one, the facial cleansing gel, it says that it has papaya extract plus vitamin C. This smells so nice. I'm gonna be trying this, and if it works, I'll definitely go for more. I really love the way that it came, like nothing fell out of the box, nothing, it was properly closed. Yeah. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that, guys, that this order, I ordered it on the 8th of March this month, and it arrived today, like today is Tuesday, the 12th. It took me 6 days to get this order. And the one thing that is sure with this company, that you can track your order wherever it is, you can track it. And as soon as it was delivered, I got a message from the company itself, the Nubian Paris company, telling me that my order has arrived and thank you for ordering with us, and use your products the way you like. So for me, it's a safe site, it's secure and all. So if this product works for me, I will definitely continue shopping on this site for my face, because I'm tired. At this point, I have tried so many products and I've not been able to get what I'm looking for. So if this works for me, I'll definitely continue to shopping with them. So guys, yeah, that's it. Like I said, I don't want this video to be long, so I thank you all so much for watching my video. If you have watched my video till now, you are the real MVP, guys. Please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my videos, guys. And I will be seeing you all in my next one. So for now, bye.